How to not get banned from WhatsApp Business. Now, if you don't want to get banned from WhatsApp Business, you should follow their community rules and guidelines. In order to know what that includes, go to your browser and search for WhatsApp community guidelines. Then this first link will appear from whatsapp.com, which will say enforcing community rules and managing difficult members. Then just simply open the link and it will lead you to the website of the WhatsApp community guidelines, and you just simply need to read through the community guidelines to know what WhatsApp allows in their platform and what it does not allow in their platform. If you are using WhatsApp for what it allows, then you will be safe. If you are using WhatsApp for something that WhatsApp does not allows, in that case, just simply stop doing that or you might get banned. Generally, promoting sexual behavior in the WhatsApp or hate speech in there might get you banned very easily. So don't do those stuff in general and read through the community guidelines for the better understanding. I hope this video have been informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.